Imagine going to websites like we're already doing and getting paid up to $35 just to verify that you're human. That's right, guys, going on the web, getting online, visiting websites, verifying that you are human. This is something I've never talked about on this channel before. I'm about to enlighten you. I'm about to open your eyes to this new strategy on how to make money online. The website you need to visit is www. Hey guys, Victor Paredes here, and on this channel I create videos on how to make money online on the daily, most of the time, but always consistently, never missing a day, 100% of the time, half the time. So if that's what you're looking for, a place where you can learn how to make money online, well then go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to smash that notification bell so I can send you an update and a notification whenever I come out with new videos so you don't miss any of the magic. Be sure you stay to the end of this video. I've got a huge bonus for you. I'm going to show you another way you can start making even more money online right from the comfort of your own home. All right, let's jump into this video. All right, as you can see, guys, this was a deposit made into my credit union bank account by simply using this strategy, going right to my PayPal account. This is a PayPal deposit into my bank account. So this is something that anybody can do, and I just wanted to share this with you. Now, your results may be different, depends on how much effort you put into it. These results are not typical. Just depends on how much you're willing to work and how much you're willing to put yourself out there and knock out this strategy that I'm about to share with you. So this pays out to your PayPal account. So I want you to go straight to paypal.com. If you don't have an account, it's a free account to sign up with. Click this menu right here to the left. Go to sign up for free. I want you to click on that. You can leave it on personal. Click next. And it's going to ask for your email address, mobile number, legal first name, last name. You're going to create a password, confirm your password. Then you're going to click next, and you have now created a brand new free PayPal account. You're going to connect your bank account with your PayPal account so that you can start getting paid using this strategy. So in this video, you will learn how to make up to $35 in 20 minutes using this strategy. And if you are a broke teenager, this is perfect for you because you don't need any experience, you don't need any kind of skills, you don't need any money because it is completely free to do. All right, the very first website you need to go to is, if you're enjoying the content of this video so far, then go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And don't forget, down in the comments section, tell me what country you're from so I can do even more videos on how to make money online that work in your area. All right, let's head back into this video. All right, the name of the very first site is called 2captcha.com. That's number 2, then the word captcha, then .com, okay? This is the website that actually pays people to go in and type in what they see, verifying that you are human. Now, these companies have these computer systems that are running all day long, 24/7, but sometimes they run into these CAPTCHA codes that they just can't figure out. That's where you and I come in. That's where your services are paid for, by going in here and typing what you see, okay? And I'm gonna scroll all the way down. Yes, you can actually get paid to type in CAPTCHA codes to verify that you're a human. And guys, this is perfect if you're a broke teenager, if you're out of work right now because of the pandemic that's going on, if you're just looking for a part-time side hustle, this is perfect opportunity. What I want you to do is click on Work for Us right here. I'm gonna zoom in right there, Work for Us, okay? Scroll down to the very bottom, it's gonna bring you to this page, okay? And this is for workers, it tells you exactly what you need. CAPTCHA solving is a very simple and guaranteed way to have additional income in the internet. To work on this service, you only need a computer, keyboard, and an internet connection. Who doesn't have that? Most of us do, right, guys? The idea is there are numerous types of images that cannot be recognized automatically, and there are people, customers, who are ready to pay for recognition of these images. That means you and I. Okay, we are the ones that are going to get paid for recognizing these images. It takes a human eye to do that. In some cases, the computers that they have set up cannot figure it out. Okay, and all you got to do is scroll all the way down here, and quick start right there, boom, and get you started. You sign up right here, boom, and then you get registered and you become a two CAPTCHA member and start getting paid to your PayPal account. Let's go to the second one. I've got 2 more to show you, and they get better as we go, so stick with me, guys. All right, so jumping over to the second website. This one's called megatypers.com. megatypers.com. Again, another way to make easy money on the internet, just typing in CAPTCHA codes. Guys, these companies need human beings to actually go in and type in what they see to unlock the website. Not every computer is capable of doing that. Let's face it, human beings are the perfect machine if you want to look at a human as a machine. We actually created the computers to go in to authorize these CAPTCHA codes, but they're not the perfect machine like the human is. We have the ability to resolve and to reason, and that's why they still need us, and that's how we get paid. It's incredible. Look at this, perfect. This megatypers.com is fantastic for mothers that stay at home, parents that need a second job, students, people in between jobs, and I would even add for broke teenagers that have no skills, that have no experience, and that have no money. A great opportunity. Again, megatypers.com. Let's move on to the third website, and stick with me because I have a huge bonus for you coming right up. All right, so the third website is called colotbablo.com. colotbablo.com. Now, this is probably one of the better websites. It's been around since 2007. Okay, guys, 2007, paying people to go in and verify CAPTCHA and type in CAPTCHA. As you can see, they've been around since working from 2007, not planning on going anywhere. Their accuracy, tracking your entries and payments, been doing it for a long time. Instant withdrawal, earn money to different payment systems or send to another account. And I love this story here. This is a testimonial right here. Hi, my name is Nurul. I'm 20 years old and I'm still working with Colotbablo. I joined 1 year ago. From Colotbablo, I can buy my new laptop, my new bed, and etc. I want to thank you, Colotbablo. And you can read many testimonials. You can read their full stories here. But check out Colotbablo, a great website to start earning CAPTCHA money. Especially if you're a broke teenager or you're out of work for whatever reason. Now, what's the only thing about these things, typing in these CAPTCHA codes? The only thing is you're not going to get rich doing this. Okay, if you want to learn exactly what I'm doing to create a full-time passive income that is on autopilot, an income that is being generated even while I'm asleep, or an income that is being created even when I'm on vacation. I'm actually on vacation right now at the beach, enjoying myself, enjoying some fun in the sun with my family and friends. I'm no longer handcuffed to that 9 to 5 that I so desperately wanted to leave. I needed to find a way. The only way to do it is to find a true passive income online, an income that serves you as opposed to you serving it, that works for you as opposed to you working for it. All you've got to do is set it up once and it generates a passive income if you follow the steps. If you're ready for a change, and if you're ready to walk through that door of opportunity that's right in front of you right now and kick that 9 to 5 to the curb, working all of those hours, stressed all the time, feeling underappreciated, feeling undervalued, doing all of that just to make someone else rich. If you're ready for some freedom and to take control of your financial situation, to better yourself and to better your family, then click on that link down in the description of this video. It's my #1 recommendation on how I'm earning a full-time income online right now. A fully sustainable full-time income. And remember, guys, it's time to invest in your business and it's time to invest in yourself.